connected to my PC.
I'm here with a new video.
Alessio!
Not a
Alessio!
new video. This is not a new
Alessio!
video, by the way.
Udin, din, din, din.
By the way, I got a video done.
Asman!
And I'm
Asman!
what? What do you want, bro?
Asman! The admin activated 10x luck.
Nah.
That is good for us.
Nah.
We can get dragon cannoli.
Not activated. It was the bar. You can literally see the bar above your the road.
Screen.
Yeah. By the way, guys, he's the most brain-rotted kid in the whole school.
Guys, don't. Did you guys hear him? I can't hear him. My ears is blooding.
Nah. Bro, literally. I cannot say that. By the way, guys, I got the new brain rot from the meme Lucky Block. I mean, Builderini. But I still on the 6-7. 6-7.
6-7.
Guys, he is the most brain rotted kid in the whole world.
You know a place that we can go?
Hey, come, Pussy. I will show you a place. A secret place. A method to get the 6-7 brain rot. Come.
Okay, I know we are. Where you are?
Oh, come with me, Pussy.
I am coming with you. You just go. I know the trick. The trick is patched now.
Come in here.
The trick is patched.
Go in here. Now say
6-7.
6.
6.
Oh,
Six.
nah, just joking, bruh.
I know, bro.
Nah, bro.
No, it's already
Kid.
on morning, but that
But
did
see,
not.
almost, you will you only need to kill, like, 100 more brain rots. 100 more brain rots. Hey, Pussy, do you want that Indian done?
Nah.
Okay.
I'm good.
I'll save it for the giveaway. By the way, guys, another announcement. I'm doing a grand giveaway of brain rot
And
god.
guys, I'm giving a grand
So
giveaway too.
it will be on Saturday
Guys,
while
guys,
grow a garden.
guys,
While grow a
wait,
garden.
I need to talk with my chat.
Everyone join me in grow a garden while the event starts. Because
Guys, I am giving a giveaway in Grow a Garden and Steal a Brain Rot. I am giveawaying. I will check everyone bases, or you can give me a pic of the bases in my Discord servers. The Discord server link in the bio. Guys, just give me the pic. I will check your base and rate your base. If your base is good, I will give you the best secret I got.
I will say, after Grow Gardens update, everyone will join me in Plants vs Brain Rots, and I will do a grand giveaway of Brain Rot gods, and some of the lucky winners can even get a boss.
Aswan, can I get your dragon cannoli for 3 minutes, please? I will give it back.
No. You are a freaking liar.
I'm not a freaking liar.
You
Just
are,
shut your mouth.
you are a freaking liar.
Just shut up, bro.
By the way,
I'm getting money from
I,
your dragon. I'm getting money from your dragon. The game is broken.
bruh, I
got
the
55
Jackson Cannelloni. Bruh, you are so cooked. You don't even have a boss in your base. And if you
10x
have,
love
I give
activated.
it to you.
10x love activated. That's good.
Nah, 10x luck is not good at all. You
Yeah.
need like 1000x luck to get a brain rot god. You need it.
Aswan, how you get the meme lucky egg?
It has like a 0.001% chance of spawning in the track. And you can get it from the shop. Robux shop.
I know. The luck is not going on.
I
You
got
can
it
see on
without
the
the luck. I got the meme lucky block without the luck.
Yeah.
Nah, it was so hard to get it. By the way, guys, if you have a Los Ralalitos and a Lavaca Saturno, please give me because I need to rebirth. And don't worry about my brain rots. I will save them in OR ID.
I will give away all my brain rods for rebirth.
Guys, he is lying. I gave him all of the brain rots he has.
But I will give your brain rods to
Not
everyone.
mine. First, I'm collecting some money from your brain.
Yeah, I know.
Huh. Yeah, I can literally collect some money.
Your dragon is broken. He's giving me money, but how?
Nah, bro's giving 1 million per minute. Bro's literally giving 1 million per minute. My gold dragon Cannelloni is literally giving 1 million per minute. How
Per
about
second. Per second.
1
In
million,
10 seconds.
10k per second. 10k per second. And 1 million per minute.
Not per minute. In 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Because he's giving 100k because of your rainbow brain dots. Rainbow brain dots give a chance that your best brain dot will have the
By the way, do you want this Armini Builderini?
Aswan, गेम में अगर मैं गेम में ही हूँ अभी मेरा यहीं पे मोबाइल पड़ा हुआ है अभी मैं जरा खाना खा के आता हूँ मैंने चैट ऑफ कर दी है
अगर कुछ अच्छा आएगा तो मैं तुम्हें ना मार दूंगा उसे सही है तुम्हें मिल जाएगा guys so Fasi is saying he will go for 10 minutes and will come back after 10 minutes when he goes I will handle kill every single
going but Aswan if something good comes call me
yeah sure but with the mobile
did something good come in shop I want to check
yeah sure you can just stand by the seed shop
yeah I am going guys but I'm coming
yeah guys so he's saying that he's going AFK for 10 minutes I will handle his brain rots till then I will forward
my game I'm going
I will skip forward
bye guys
until Pasi does his lunch I'll skip forward by the way
lunch
if lunch comes in my path or his path I will
Okay.
record this.
Ashwant, I am
Okay.
going for 10 minutes. Bye.
Okay.
Guys, so I just got a godly lucky egg. Let's see what I get from it. Let's open it. Yeah. Whatever I get, I will give you all. Because it's a giveaway. Oh, I got a dun. It's only for a giveaway. So remember to join the giveaway. Guys, literally I was playing and the rainbow Mateo spawned in. I was not. I was AFK with Fasi and Rainbow Mateo spawned from nowhere and made you after I get another Brainerd God secret.
कोड डालो जो हमारा लॉक डाल दे।
Guys, we both
ये
are
बोल
back
रहा है कि लगा रहा है। ये बोल रहा ना कि लगा रहा
and
है,
you
नहीं आ
saw
रहा।
the clips. I got a Rainbow Mateo and Brainerd God Lucky Block. And Fasi got a hot potato burrito, but I forgot to record it. And he didn't got it.
Can I take some? I only need this dragon cannoli for 5 minutes. I will give you back my live stream needs. I am going to.
Never, never. See what things are in stock. See,
क्या?
Carnivorous plant was in stock.
अभी है।
Carnivorous plant was in stock. See,
I buy it
and even tomato was in stock. I called you to come, but you didn't come.
because I am eating. Listen,
I'm
listen.
literally eating
You
my lunch right now too.
Dude. Chat, what game you want to? My live stream. Chat, what game want you to? What you
But see,
want
one
to
second, can you check the chat?
play?
Two tomatoes came in the stock, literally. Two tomatoes came in the stock together. I bought them all.
Aswan, my chat is saying that to play gag.
Guys, but don't forget about the grand giveaway.
Yeah, I'm doing the grand away
After the
too.
garden admin abuse.
I'm doing the giveaway on the update too.
First, I literally got a rainbow Mateo and a rainbow godly lucky block. Then you were AFK.
Aswan,
Yeah.
my chat is saying that to play steal a raindrop or grow a garden.
Grow a garden in the lead.
What we do?
Grow a garden in the lead.
What?
Grow a garden on the lead. But see, a boss is gonna come for you in like 100 brain rots, 120 brain rots. A brain rot.
How you know?
Boss is gonna
How
come
you know?
in.
How,
A boss is
how
gonna
you know?
come. Hey, a boss is gonna come in like 100 brain rots. So get ready.
How
Get
did you know? How did you
some.
know? Did you time travel to the
No, see that.
future?
See that board. See that board.
Oh,
Why is it showing me
oh,
2.3x luck? Why? Why is it showing me 2.3x luck when it's showing you 1% luck?
My luck is coming in 87 brain rots.
Nah,
दाबाई 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 जल्दी करें अश्वंत का
bro, why the heck are you screaming?
no problem bro just a house problem
I know that for sure, bro.
97 brain rot 98 I am getting 10x luck in one I got 10x luck
Nah, you got a ballerina with that. Noob.
I am getting a boss in just 2 minutes
I will
you
get
know
12.3x luck when my 10x luck is gonna come. See my base, Fuzzy. Fuzzy, come and see my base.
I am coming bro
How much stack this is? When you were AFK, I did this. There were literally
where is your
5 Coco tanks.
where is your where is your that blue muscular guy
This,
yeah
I
can
will
you
sell
give
this.
me can you give me
No.
yeah
I will do a giveaway for my fans.
अच्छा
Yeah. So, if you want this, you need to come in the giveaway.
हसन
Yeah. Yeah.
लाइव स्ट्रीम बंद कर
अबे
लाइव
आ
स्ट्रीम
रही
बंद कर
अबे आ रही First,
लाइव स्ट्रीम बंद कर
so guys, Fussy is almost. Fussy will get Fussy will get a brain unlimited.
will not boss in some seconds
Fussy
or
will get
minutes
a boss in some minutes, like 5 or 6 minutes. He's gonna get a boss. So get ready for the boss fight between me and Fussy. Between me, Fussy, and the boss. So I will fast forward this.
Aswan, I need your all plants because I can get dragon con only two. Fast
No.
give me.
You can only get a burrito hotspot Tito because it's on. You don't even have a one rebut. So you can only get the burrito hotspot Tito. And in the second
And
rebut, you can only get the Reno Tosterino and the burrito hot potato. You need like 4 rebuts for the dragon cannelloni to
your
spawn as a
rebirth is
boss.
second. Your rebirth is second.
Yeah. I have 2 rebuts.
I can see.
A
I have
person
one.
gave me this. A person gave me this gold dragon cannelloni. Oh, nah! Floating Alessio.
Where?
He got killed.
No. My boss is coming. Wait.
Me and
In some
Fussy
second.
versus the boss. Me and Fussy versus the boss.
I get my tung tung bed. I am aura farming right now.
Bang. So I will get my Din. I will get my Dino Bro bat. Dino Bro bat. You get the Tung bat. I get the Dino Bro bat.
Did you know a meaning of booty?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of booty?
Nah.
What is the meaning of booty?
I don't know. I don't know,
That is
you
something.
freaking.
That
I
is
don't
something
know
that
the freaking tweaking.
the boss is coming in 5 brain rots.
Yeah, bro, we might kill some brain rots.
We need our challenge is to kill Bir Patapim. If we kill the yeah, let's go. We need to kill the brain rot.
Nah, kill the
That
true
is
Maruchina. Kill the true Maruchina. True. Now kill him. Kill our Kueruka. Ima kill the Shinu.
I am aura farming more than Aswan.
Nah, this is
I am,
the aura farming challenge junk.
but I am more aura than you. You are just wearing some dragon things, but am. I have red eyes, red, green shirt, yes shirt. My brain rot is coming in 10.
No,
Brain rot.
I will not help you. I will not help you.
4. Sorry. Please help me, Asan.
No,
Asan.
no, no, no,
If the
no.
boss come,
No,
if you
I
help me,
think I will help you.
orca le lo, orca la. Limbo.
Orca lelo, orca la.
Don't disturb me.
Kaktohi
Soy
popotamo.
poco cuando
The most
elefante.
brain rotted kid in the whole school.
Cocodrilo. Sí.
Bro,
Aslan,
do you
don't
even know the meaning of
waste your
bombardino?
thing. Aslan, don't waste your thing. We need to get that. The drill note is coming in. The boss is coming in 1. Yo,
Bro,
did the boss come? My game is
you
like
kill
boss
this
come.
Agrelini.
Ooh,
Ima
Aslan,
help
we
you.
need to kill it
Ima help
fast.
you. Ima help you. Bro,
Help
get
me, help me.
frost grenades.
That thing is coming. I need to get all my
Bro,
best
get
things.
some frost grenades. Nah, it
I am
disappeared.
getting all my plants I could get. Stop it!
Bro, kill him. Kill him.
Kill him, kill him. Let's go. I
Got
got
it,
it.
bro. Bro.
Let's go.
With all of nah. I thought he was a Robux guy.
That is the third most powerful.
Oh, I
The
do
third
it now and I got out. Didn't.
Aswan, did you know this is the third most giving money boss? Dragon Cannoli is in the first. Second is I
See,
don't. Second is
this is the best way not for collecting money. No.
and this too because this is the third.
Reno
Best.
Toaster
And
Reno
the
is
second,
better than this.
and the second is who is this guy
He's
that
my
joined us?
guys, my random friend joined me. And he's my fans, so I will give him an opportunity soon. Hey, here's a gift for being my fan.
Here's a gift for
Here's a
did
gift for
he's
being
your
my fan. T-Bye for being my fan. No problem. Now Fussy is giving away new brain roll.
yeah I am giving a new banner. You can see what I am giving a secret.
Nah, you are literally
I am
giving a
giving it
beanie.
in my grammar and
Grammar.
my giraffe celestre.
He's lying. He's lying.
I give him that. You can see the chat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am
Beta,
giving him.
bro, he
You can
didn't.
see. You can see. My giraffe and my grammar is gone.
Nah,
I
can you
promise I am
screen
not
share me
giving.
for 1 minute? Can you screen share me for 1 minute? Bro, you literally give him.
Yes.
No, 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 no. No, but this ordinary dude gives more money than the grandma.
In my day. Yeah, he's saying to me because I give him the best secret I got.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him a mini bold Bulgarini.
I give him my best secret.
Nah, I gave him my Armini Bolgirini. I gave him my Armini border Armini. I gave him it. I gave him my Armini bodybuilderini. Now tell.
But mean it. But I give him the thing that give more money than your
Nah,
weird.
this
Then
no, no, no,
my
no, no, no. This is
2.1K
this
per
is not
second.
even in the index. This is that rate that this is not even in the index. I gave him a limited brain roll, bro. And with drama you gave him was mine drama.
I
My
give
drama
him the
garden.
best secret in the game. You can check the uh
No,
uh
it's not the
index.
best secret. And
You
don't
can check.
yeah,
Go and check the
but
index.
it's
Go
not the
and check
best
the
secret.
index.
It's not the best
Go,
secret in the
go
whole
and
game.
check the index. Go to the last. Go to the last.
There's one, two,
Go to the
three.
last.
There's six brain rots in front of him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's the last. The
Plus,
Brahmara is the last brain rot. And
Shio, flying up Shio.
yeah,
Fuzzy, bro. Nah, 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 nah.
Aswan. I am saying that I give him the best secret. You can check the index, bro.
Nah, nah, nah. Nah, Rico Camelo.
You can give him the best secret. Lol.
Bro, why didn't any good plant come in the stove when we are playing?
Aswan, can 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 we play gag or something, some game that they like?
Control
Because this
is
is
your brain rot.
the, okay, we can play Steal a Brain Rot.
Guys, Emma made you in still brain rot.
Aswan, join me in a game. I am giving you the invite. Join me in a game.
No. Do you have Sammy Scammy in your friend list?
No,
Bro, you literally said him to friend me.
he unfriend me because I do something bad with him.
Huh? Huh?
The game I selected, the game is the problem that he unfriend me. Join me
What
in the
is
game
the
and choose
problem?
the difficult mode. And choose the difficult mode. Join me and choose the difficult mode in this game.
In which game?
Just join me.
Okay.
I'm giving.
Guys, so I'ma join Fussy. I'ma meet you after I join Fussy. Oh,
Aswan, join
kind of
me.
yo.
Down,
Guys,
Aswan,
here. Hardest game in the whole world.
Aswan, are you not coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
This game is the most hardest game, most hardest hobby
The whole
game.
world. What is it? Coming on my.
Aswan, join me fast.
Right. I joined you in the easy
You
mode.
had,
First,
Aswan, did you
let's
have 1,000
first
Robux?
let's play the easy level
We can
first.
the difficult, the last level, because the first and second did not work. The first and second level did not work. The only level that worked is the last one. Join me.
Yeah, I joined the difficult mode.
Where are you? Can you see me?
Nah, it's loading.
We need to go to the next side. Okay, just to the next side. We will see who is the best player in this game. This is not a
But
normal hobby. This is the hardest hobby I ever seen.
for the little first time in my life.
This is the worst game. I died at this thing. I died at the third one. If we can see others,
Yeah, this is a hard game. Libra,
here is something to tell us.
Libra.
Aswand, about this game, we can do a quiz that we can go to the next side easily.
The fire, bro.
I die at the third one every time.
Yeah, the third one is the hard. Bro, I can't even do the first one.
You can do the first. You can do the first one.
Nah,
I am dying at the nether cannon. We need to go to the sideways. We need to
bro, I
double
didn't
jump on
even
the
touch
sideways. Why I died? If you press
Nah.
A, you can jump.
I'm pressing X again and again.
Go to the sideways. Go to that area. Go to the sideways. Open. Go to the sideways. Here. Everyone is going. You need to jump, double jump, and get to there. You need to double jump.
Okay. I
You
guess.
are worse than me. I guess you can do this game. We need to play another game. Join me in my favorite game.
Only wanna play this game, bro.
Join me in my favorite game. The best game in the world. You
What?
can't win in this game.
Yeah?
You can't win in this game.
What game do you wanna play, bro?
Join me in Muraf. Oh, join me in Row Tower. Join me. This game is fun. So much fun game.
Okay, I guess.
I play this game every day.
Okay, I guess. Yeah,
Did you
this
join
is
me?
a fun game. This is a best, the best game.
Did you join me? Fast, join me.
Nah, Trolley the Twin Tower is the best game in the whole universe, bro. Best of it.
1. Aswan, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, Fussy, wait. Ima, see
I
the
am
secret. Wait. You will start in
fast.
You
You
will
are playing
start
like a noob
in
again.
3 to 1.
Aswan, we can
Yeah.
do a challenge with others that we will give them all our things in
Yeah.
7 gag. But they need to win from us. Why you are doing this? Don't do all of. Just do like me. Yo.
Oh, I was about to fall.
You and me will in the same team, and the guy will be alone. Join us. Oh, come to the Up.
Nah, bro, I'm already at the top.
I know you do the glitch. I know the glitch.
Nah, I didn't do it.
I can see you. I see you that you are doing the glitch and you got reconnect because you do the net on the airplane mode.
Nah, I don't even know how to do the airplane mode, bro.
I am doing the glitch too. Don't worry.
Oh! I fall down, bro. No, 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 no. But see, but we need to end the video fastly because it's literally half an hour, bro. Half an hour.
I got to the first area easily. I am at the end.
Nah, 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 nah. Bro, no glitch, no glitch, no glitch. Come down, come down, come down, bro. Come down.
Calm
Now
down.
we will
Calm
not
down.
glitch. We will not glitch.
Calm down. Calm down. मैं मर गया.
Wow, 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 wow.
I am ending the live stream, bro.
Oh, wait. Big fan, big fan. Bro, YouTuber playing in our server.
Who is the YouTuber?
I don't know, but he's like something. Where are you, Pussy?
Asman, you can do the glitch.
No,
Nah,
no glitch, bro, no glitch.
you died on the glitch and say no glitch.
No,
not.
we will not do glitch.
You do the glitch. I'm with you, but you do the glitch and you fell down. I can see. I have eyes, and you are on the top.
Nah,
I can
bro,
see.
bro's lying.
Bro, I am not. You do the glitch. You fell down, but you get on the purple color. You get on the red color. Sorry. My glitch is not working. My glitch is not working.
Why?
Don't know, but the glitch worked.
Mm.
Aswan, I died on the last stage. I died on the last stage, bro.
No, I died on the purple stage.
I die on the last thing. I can win, but I died.
Wait, Ima,
Because I was.
Ima join you, Ima join you, Ima join you.
You are joining?
Mm,
Did you get?
I accidentally leave the
I'm doing
game.
the glitch
Ima
right
join
now.
you, Ima join you,
I'm
Ima
doing the
join you.
glitch right now. I'm doing the glitch right now.
No, no glitch, no glitch. No, no glitch.
Wait for only for 2 minutes. Only for a minute. Mother. My glitch is not working really. उसका नेट नहीं गया ग्लिच. Ashwin, can we talk on the chat?
Sure.
Okay. And
Yay! I did it. I did it. So guys, I'm the final winner. I'm the final winner. So you might end this video. This video is too long. Sorry if this is too long, but bye bye. Chill out.